Hi everyone, welcome back. So recently I collaborated with Purple.com. If you're someone who is not aware about Purple.com, it's an online beauty shopping platform in India. Now you can buy anything related to beauty, skincare, hair care, cosmetics on their website, and everything is available on a discounted price because they have ongoing offers, schemes, and some coupons, etc. So you can get everything at a discounted price. Also on their website you can go on to their booking page and you can check out all the latest schemes and coupons and the deals that are there of spas, and you can book appointments at salons across India. So there's a lot to explore on their online website and their mobile application as well. So I will have all the links in the description so you can check that out. So as a part of their makeup mania, they were kind enough to send me a couple of products. So what I'm going to do is I will take you through all the products that I have received from Purple.com, and I will also show you and demonstrate how to use and apply each and every item, along with which I will give you a mini review about all the items that I'm going to talk about. So in total there are 4 products that I have received. There are 2 eye products and 2 lip products. So what I'm thinking is I will create 2 different makeup looks using these 4 products, and I will tell you the review about each and every item, and I will also show you how to apply them. So let's start with makeup look number 1. The first thing that I received is this True Color eyeshadow quad by Avon in the shade Emerald Cut. I love how the packaging is. It looks so expensive and classy. It comes in this all black plastic packaging which has Avon written on top of it, and once you open it there are 4 shades inside, along with a small applicator and a mirror attached inside. This one is so pretty. The colors are just so damn amazing together. They're feminine and sweet. So there are 4 shades here. So the first shade on top is this shimmering beige. The second one is called softened peach. The third one is called green metal, and the fourth one is called blackened emerald. I found the combination very interesting and wearable. What I'm going to do is apply this peach shade all over the eyelid, and then I will be using this dark emerald color called the blackened emerald on the outer crease. These shadows are not very pigmented, so you can lay them up to achieve the right amount of color payoff, and you can wear them for a daily wear. And once that is blended, I will use the beige shade on the tear duct and the brow bone to highlight. I love the sheer touch in these shadows. All the colors have shimmer and they look really pretty. With this eye look, I will combine my second product, which is this lipstick by Maybelline Color Sensational in the shade Hooked on Pink. It's a warm fuchsia shade, definitely on the brighter side, but a more wearable fuchsia for Indian skin tones because of a warm undertone. It is one of the shades that you will reach out the most, and it brightens up the face instantly. This is like one of the favorite must-have shades for the summer. It has a really creamy texture and decent moisturization. So this is the first look, a peachy and emerald smoky eye look with the fuchsia lip shade. The next makeup look is going to be this makeup look using the third item which I have applied on my eyes, and it's the Maybelline's Vivid and Smooth Liner in the shade Forest Green and smudge proof. It's a waterproof and smudge proof formula. I'm going to apply this as an eyeliner. However, you can use this as an eyeshadow by applying this all over the eyelid. It glides on smoothly without tugging the eyes and is nicely pigmented. So you can see how I've created a nice winged liner using this liner and how pretty it looks. It's creamy in texture and they are neither matte nor too shimmery. And then I'm going to combine this eye look with this lipstick by L'Oreal Color Riche range. It's in the shade Deep Raspberry. This comes in a super pretty case which is sturdy and click locks, and the color is very bright coral kind of neonish red. Some may call it pink, but to me it looks more of a coral red and it pops the lips out. So I think it's a perfect idea to pair this lip shade with this green winged eyeliner. The texture is just as smooth as a lip balm and it's not overly creamy. And this is the second makeup look. A nice green winged eye and a bright neon lip. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite makeup look out of the two looks that I created. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box below, and you can buy all the products that I have used in this video from the official website of purplle.com. I will have the link in the information box below. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!